Our mission at Microsoft is to broadly democratize data, and AI has supercharged the need to securely unify the entire data estate without the slow, costly process of constantly copying files from one system to the next or doing ETL jobs.
Snowflake is deeply invested in advocating for open standards and community-driven open source projects that enhance data interoperability and transparency. We want our customers to experience cost efficiencies, more time to focus on building business growth as opposed to infrastructure and moving data back and forth.
Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Green, Snowflake's news anchor, and I'm currently in Redmond, Washington at Microsoft campus. Gentlemen, such a pleasure to sit down with you. Really excited to discuss what Microsoft and Snowflake have been cooking up together. Arun, let's start with you. I've seen a slew of announcements at Microsoft events on how we're collaborating to enable customers to create open, interoperable data architectures. Can you give us a recap of where things stand?
Absolutely. As we know, data teams are under tremendous pressure to move efficiently and deliver analytics and AI to all of their business users. But the data often lives in so many different platforms, tools, systems, making it nearly impossible to get a broad, real-time view of the business. So 18 months ago, we jointly announced a shared vision to help customers connect Snowflake and Microsoft OneLake, which is our data lake service to access, analyze, and share data without any duplication or complexity. And this interoperability is made possible through Apache Iceberg, the industry standard open table format. Snowflake and Microsoft are deeply committed to supporting open standards, so customers can choose the right tool for the job, while also collaborating on just a single copy of the data across any platform. And we have made great strides over the last 18 months since we announced it. Customers can already write Snowflake tables directly to OneLake, access Apache Iceberg tables using OneLake shortcuts, and read OneLake tables from Snowflake, all without any duplication or complex setup. So I'm very excited to share that as of today, all of this interoperability is now generally available and customers can get started now.
Very well said. An exciting next chapter. And Arun, can you help contextualize what the partnership means for customers and why this is so significant?
Absolutely. Our mission at Microsoft is to broadly democratize data. And AI has supercharged the need to securely unify the entire data estate without the slow, costly process of constantly copying files from one system to the next or doing ETL jobs. And with this integration, customers gain flexibility to design the right architecture, storage, or engine for their needs without introducing any silos or added complexity. And tomorrow, if needs change, they're not locked into any proprietary tool or data format. So it's just completely open and it's ready for customers today.
Wonderful to hear it, and Christian, from your seat.
Very happy to be here with you. And this is a massive milestone for our joint customers, but more than anyone. We're proud to be the first Microsoft OneLake integration partner and are excited for our customers to be able to take advantage of all of these benefits. Practically, this means that data practitioners can now do things like seamlessly query OneLake managed tables from Snowflake without having to move any data, to your point, or vice versa, query Snowflake managed Iceberg tables in Microsoft OneLake directly from Microsoft Fabric. And all of the tools that query are querying the same underlying Iceberg table, so users get consistency, up-to-date table, reliable results, regardless of which platform the data is stored.
Very well said. Thank you, Christian. And Arun, both organizations have invested significantly in Iceberg as the standard open table format over the last few years, from integrating it within your products to contributing it to the open source community. Can you expand on why this is so significant?
Yeah, absolutely. OneLake initially supported the Delta Lake open format, but we've expanded to also include support for Apache Iceberg as it continues to be embraced by the industry as the leading standard for open source data. So we want to make sure that all of our customers can access their OneLake data from any platform they choose to work in without worrying about vendor lock-in, and they can adopt innovations from the open source community as well without rewriting their data. And we're also committed to contributing code and development back to the Iceberg community, and we're actively engaging with the community through events and meetups because we want to be part of this open source movement. And we want to make sure that this format continues to grow to meet the needs of our customers.
It's wonderful to hear. And Christian, from your lens.
Yes, same thing. At Snowflake, we're very committed to interoperability to help organizations get value from their data without the fear of being locked in. And our investment in Iceberg is entirely focused on bringing the Snowflake innovation to a format that is open. And when I say format here, I include file and table formats, but also catalog interoperability. And we've helped over 11,000 organizations accelerate their time to value with ease of use and leading price performance, and are super excited to bring the benefits of Snowflake to Apache Iceberg-based tables. Snowflake is deeply invested in advocating for open standards and community-driven open source projects that enhance data interoperability and transparency. We want our customers to experience cost efficiencies. No need to build pipelines or maintain multiple copies of data. No more time to focus on building business growth as opposed to infrastructure and moving data back and forth.
It's wonderful to hear. And gentlemen, I have to say, I love hearing how we're empowering customers to create their data foundations very much on their terms. And now I want to take a step back and look at the larger macro view of how Snowflake and Microsoft work together. Christian, can you give us an overview for folks who may not be all that aware of everything that we do together?
Yeah, so our partnership dates back a number of years. It was in 2018. Snowflake and Microsoft started working together to help customers tackle their data and AI challenges, no matter how big or small their problems were. And thousands of customers choose today to run Snowflake on Microsoft Azure as their modern, fully managed data and AI platform that delivers a unified, trustworthy view of the data. And it includes structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Customers can run on Azure in 17 regions worldwide, and of course, and counting. You guys are moving so fast that we're always trying to catch up. And in the last few years, our product teams have invested in building over 20 native integrations with Microsoft services to make it easier than ever to activate the data and deliver AI to enterprise users in their everyday workflows. It's truly incredible to see the momentum of our partnership and to witness its growing impact on customers transforming their industries. We have the example of Northbridge Financial. They're like a leading Canadian insurance company, migrated to Snowflake on Azure so that they could process billions of insurance records faster and be able to streamline regulatory compliance. Or I have another example. They integrated Snowflake with Microsoft's Fabric's Power BI to deliver accurate self-service analytics across the enterprise, and that's how they came together. The other example is State Street, an American multinational financial services company. They re-platformed their Alpha Data platform on Snowflake on Azure, and can now easily share large volumes of data securely and in real time, slashing delivery times of insights from months to minutes. And their platform allows for near real-time visibility so that clients can make timely data-driven investment decisions with confidence from a complete and accurate view of the data.
Well, it's wonderful to hear the power this partnership is having across the collective ecosystem. Such a pleasure sitting down with both of you here today. But before we go, any takeaways for the viewers that are watching here today? Arun, why don't we start with you?
First of all, I'd say I'd love partnering with Snowflake. Our partnership with Snowflake, it reflects a shared dedication to innovation and to empowering our customers with the most advanced data solutions, because their success is our success. And so if you check out our blog, you can learn more about the interoperability between OneLake and Snowflake, all through Apache Iceberg.
And Christian, from your seat.
Yeah, this partnership is the result of our commitment to interoperability and openness. It is the result of our customer focus. And when customers said they want us to interoperate and work together, we did so. We set out to innovate together, to align where customers saw friction, and the result is something that is very successful. We're excited about the partnership, and we encourage everyone to visit the Snowflake developers page for a step-by-step guide and demo on how to get started with Snowflake and Microsoft Fabric.
It's an exciting next chapter. Congratulations on the announcement. Such a pleasure sitting down with both of you.
Awesome. Thank you so much for being here. Appreciate it.
And for the audience watching, thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you soon.